morning, everybody. This is 24-25 Fanatics Authentics. Under wraps, mystery NBA jerseys, random team number 10. Good luck. Dice roll gotta be ace deuce or higher. We are going 9. 9, center field. 9 the line. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final. Silly talking to him on the bottom. eBay 1 of 1 is up top. What's up, Eva? Here we go. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final. Lakers are on the bottom. The LA Clippers are up top. Good luck, everybody. My spidey senses are telling me that we're going to see a Vince Carter or a Scoot Henderson. My spidey senses are telling me Vince Carter or Scoot Henderson. $12 I am not doing it right now. I'm not going to be doing it like right now. In the future, maybe like Monday or something, yes. Because right now they're running 5 boxers and full cases on Fast Break on the main channel. So right now that's going to go on the main channel. This Friday, Court Kings. We're doing Court Kings by the 4. So we'll go level 4 chasing on Court Kings. Prism Retail is incoming. We got a small run. It is ordered. Backer texted me on Sunday, so it's ordered. So we will see when that comes in. Hopefully today through Saturday is what I'm anticipating. Good luck. Oh, my blade is dulling out finally. Come on. Well, I guess that's getting ripped. Garnett again? Ooh. Wow. 2 cases. 2 Timberwolves. 2 Garnets. Again, I love this jersey. Mitchell and Ness. Authentic jersey. Of the big ticket, Kevin Garnett. Garnett. Nice Garnett for the Jazz. I love these. These jerseys are expensive. These are some of the $300 jerseys. Hey. And my foot pedal's not working. Hey. My foot pedal don't work. That's one of those $300 jerseys. And you got it for $16 right here. And that was the break, guys. Nice Garnett, though. Beautiful. That is a sick one. My foot pedal not working. Was that one spotted? I don't know. Let's look. Sifuso top. Yeah, that might have been one spotted. You might absolutely be correct. But that's why we offer those kind of breaks over here. For $13. That's exactly why we offer those kind of breaks. My foot pedal switches scenes. I have a little foot pedal underneath now. It switches scenes, but I don't know why it's not working today. I've been having camera issues. My overhead camera gives me issues like yesterday. And then today, now it's my foot pedal. But I haven't played with my foot pedal in a minute. What up, sinners? Mark, how you doing, Marky? So the next break is probably going to be either Screen 3, Mosaic International Football, Screen 4, Illusions, Fresh Case Football, 4-box. And then I'm going to either put up, I'm going to get up Topps Midnight on my screen here pretty soon, but I'm going to put up Prism 1 boxers first. Prism 1 box NBA, I think it's number 38. That's going to replace Screen 3, and I'm going to move football to 4 and 5. Night, Jagsy. That was a sick KG. All right. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to move the football over to 4 and 5. Prism 1 boxer is going to hit Screen 3. Sinners, how you doing this morning, bro? How you doing? Let me know if you need a link to any of the breaks for you. Hopefully my explanation yesterday was quick enough to at least kind of give you a basic. But screens 3, 4, or 5 is going to be next, guys. 3, 4, or 5. Prism 1 boxer sitting on screen 3 right now. That's the second box of a case. And then I'll put back up the hammer mixer too later on. So they're both hobby products. The main difference is that Mosaic International, it doesn't have the hobby colors. So you're not going to have the black 1 of 1s. You're not going to have the gold number to 10. You're not going to have the red, the blue, the purple, the white. Instead, Mosaic International, it has 2 distinct colors, which is guaranteed in every box. There's a red wave number to 9 or a gold wave number to 17 in every box. Also, you still have your case hits, you still have the, or short prints, I should say, your stained glass, your micro mosaics, and it says that there's no guaranteed auto, but every single box we've opened has had an autograph in it too. So I don't know if that was an error or what, but every single box has an auto. But the box doesn't tell you that. That's the weird part. Sinners, are you out there? Mark. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Cool. I just wanted to make sure if you had any questions, I'm here for you. When you're new, normally that first few days, I try to answer questions and I try to go a little bit more in detail so you understand. So, sinners, when I say screen 1, I'm talking about this screen here. Screen 2 here. Screen 3 right here. Screen 4, screen 5. That's usually how we do it. On this particular channel, because I do every sport, I usually color coordinate it on this channel. The other channels, we don't normally do that because it's one sport. So like orange, basketball, green, football, red, baseball. And for anything else, I'll just color it like purple, you know. Just so at least you kind of make that mind visual connection. Is there a team or a player that you're collecting? Sitters? Because if there is, the community, you can feel free to ask the guys in the chat too. The guys in the chat, they're hella cool. Again, so long as you're pretty respectful. These guys are very knowledgeable. Most of them are probably sharper than me, to be honest with you. Yeah, we got Ron Burgundy from Anchorman. They're live already. I don't know when they're breaking though. That's a different story. That I wouldn't be able to tell you. But Becker's in Japan right now, so I'm sure he's getting the infrastructure and the process. I'm sure he's getting that down over there. Muggsy Bogues just came out in the player break. We're not sure. It's probably going to be Blez Asia eventually. Burgundy, Fins, and Brownies. Thanks, Burgundy. Muggsy, I got off. All right. Guys, screens are updated. What's next? Yes, he is. Yep. Now, Bo Nix, Caleb Williams, Jaden Daniels do not sign. Oh, and Drake May, they don't have autographs. They have parallel cards. They got the base cards. They got illusions. They'll have jersey cards and stuff like that. Yes. But they won't have autographs. So please keep that in mind. They will have one-of-ones in this product. The best numbering you can get on Mosaic International is the reds numbered to 9. But the golds are numbered to 17. Every box has at least one red or one gold. And we've hit a couple of Jaden Daniels. I don't think we've hit any Knicks. But I've hit Caleb Daniels. I don't think we hit any Drake Mays yet neither, now that I'm thinking about it. But yeah, for the value, you can't beat this. 3 boxes, you still got the base cards. You still got the silvers that come out. You still get the Red Wave exclusive autographs. And you have a guaranteed number to 17 or number to 9 card in each box. This has been a sleeper value right here. This has been sleeper values. Illusions, I ripped 1 box on Instagram the other night. It was nice. But I can't judge a product off of only 1 box. It's very hard. It's too hard for me to judge. Yep. We've hit quite a bit. We hit quite a bit in there. It's been very, very, very solid for the price. And if you look up on the comps on some of those, bro, I'm telling you, fucking solid. Exactly. So imagine what that would do of like your regular players. Your Brian Thomas, your Marvin Harrisons, your Malik Neighbors, your Caleb's, Daniels Mays, Bo Nix. JJ got autos, Penix got autos. He just went to bed, brother. Yes, guys, who's attacking? We need some attackers today. Let's see. Does Bronny have a lot of base in Dunruss? Kind of. I think every player has a lot of like regular base in it. In Dunruss. Yeah, they kind of have quite a bit. I would say if we're talking about the regular base, excluding the net marvels and everything, I'd say you get at least 5 to 7. We've had that, Heath, if you were watching, we had that one glitch box that had like 18 rookies per pack or whatever it was. Instead of base cards, they loaded it with like rookies. That was yesterday, I think. That we had that. That was kind of crazy. But yeah, aside from that, he has the net marvels as well. He has quite a bit aside from that. Guys, let's do it. Where's everybody? Let's see some more. Everybody hit like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If anyone has any questions, let me know. So quiet today. What's going on? Actually, you know what? Change of plans. Change of plans. Yep. New plans. We're going back to the hammer mixer. I didn't realize there was only 3 spots off in Prism Hobby. Let's do it, Oliver. I'm pushing Donruss, guys. Donruss for the next few more days. That's going to be on my screen, guys. Donruss for the next few days is always going to be on my screen. I mean, it's not bad for 49 bucks. It's really not bad. Tristan Newton came out for Sing Balain. Bronny I got. I mean, that works out to it really works out to like $5 a box. You're paying $5 a box for Bronny. And that includes one of ones. Like, it's not terrible at all. Guys, I got a ton of $1, $2, $3 players on screen 1. I got a ton of them, guys. Yep, we have bounties. Any number to 10 gold gets you $150 in Blez Bucks credits. Any one of ones is $500. And we have still not seen a one of one here yet. Yesterday's case was insane. Motown. Yesterday's case was insane. We had a few average cases, and then yesterday's one just fucking smacked. And it smacked hard. And it hit hard. Pretty gnarly. Yep. Yeah, there's a lot like, for example, let me look real quick. Right here, you have a rookie, Ulrich Chomche for $8. Not only does he have rated rookie cards, he also has autographs. Judah Mintz, same thing, rookie cards plus he has autos in the product. You're literally paying 80 cents a box. 80 cents a box. Now, will he ever be anything? I can't tell you that. Right. I might have. I don't remember. That's how good that is, though. Truthfully, that's exactly how good it is. Listen to Motown. Motown's sharp. He's so sharp. He really is. What do you mean soreness? Like my legs, you mean, from snowboarding? Or my back? No, I've been good. I've been good. My wrist has been good. Everything's been good. Yeah, no. I mean, anytime I got DOMS, anytime I got any kind of delay onset muscle soreness, 2 days. If I lift weights, different story. When I'm lifting, it takes forever. Takes like 5 days. Minimum. I haven't went snowboarding though because I've been on the stream. Excuse me. Oh, from my neck, you mean? Oh, yeah, no, my neck's good already. That was from whiplash, too. Everybody's attacking the fast break, guys. Fast break starts at 12 o'clock today. Let's see some of these breaks. If anyone has any questions, let me know, guys. I'm here. We're going to push some of these breaks. We have to. I did not know there was a cousin named Breath Mints. Sure. On the player breaks, though, Sam and everybody else, for the most part, unless you're taking a shit ton, I'm probably gonna need you guys to take it direct in the store, please. He like does. 17, Sammy. 17. Guys, we got 33 in the room. Who's attacking? We got a lot of talkers today, which is great, but we need attackers. Commander Streezy. What's up, Streezy? Guys, all the elites are starting to come out on football, guys. Elites are starting to come out. I need a few more elites to come out on screen 4 or 5. But they're guaranteed going today, guys, on football. Guaranteed going today on football, guys. Guaranteed. What do you mean? You're an hour and a half late. It's 6 a.m. We're here at 6 o'clock, not 7:30. You're an hour and a half late. That's pretty inexcusable. We need to talk to your direct hiring manager. And we need to have a discussion and perhaps a performance improvement plan by Hoppa Hits. We need to work on his performance. We need to work on your SOPs. It's in the SOPs. Wake up, brush teeth, take a poop, and enjoy Blez Light. Kids? F them kids. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Ranieri with the Jets. Anything, any one of these can be next, guys.